Being a mom of 2 kids, I always need things that are fast and easy. So we have a great lunch idea for you that requires minimal ingredients that you can make in 5 minutes or less.
So we're gonna do tuna stuffed avocados for you.
That sounds good.
Yes.
I'll eat that.
Let's go.
Here are our ingredients.
1 whole can of tuna. I like albacore tuna.
Then 1/4 cup of cilantro. 1/4 red pepper. 1/4 jalapeno. That's gonna bring in some heat. And now we need something to make it less dry.
Right here, we need 1 tablespoon of lime juice.
All right.
Okay, and then a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Pepper, a little bit of salt, and then we mix that up.
It actually looks pretty good.
We'll scoop as much as we can. Those are
Ta-da!
gorgeous. Ta-da! Cheers. Cheers. Cheers to our little avocados, our healthy, high protein avocados.
I'm interested to see how this is.
We're gonna use this. Yeah, it's gonna fall apart on us. Here we go, let's do this.
Well, considering I got no food on mine, let's give it another go. That's actually not so bad.
really, really good.
Oh my god. I just got like the world's hottest jalapeno.
You know what, you just want to eat it like right out of the dish and that's totally okay, but Carrie got like at least half of the jalapeno in hers. Oh my god.
God, why is it so hot? Is it not hot to you? I don't know. Fire has been on my spoon. It's hot. So maybe cut back on the jalapeno a little bit.
It's perfect.